Creating a second YouTube channel is pretty straightforward nowadays. Google allowed you to create multiple channels with the same Google account, so it's pretty easy nowadays. What you can do is to open a new second YouTube channel of yours. Now you'll have to go to the YouTube account and channel of yours, go to the profile icon, tap on the right side of the screen on the profile picture, click on the settings, choose your account, then go to the manage your channel. Click on option on the clicking on the manage channel. You will see a channel list here. You can see just one channel for now. Click on create a channel. After clicking on create a channel, you can create your name and stuff. You can see trial one is the name, for example. Now the next step is verification. Now you have to enter your number, phone number. You can text or voice call for verification. That's simple. You already have done it. Now what you need to do is you can add multiple users to manage your YouTube channel. Go to the YouTube account, profile icon. Here you can add multiple users for the account. This is important sometimes to protect your YouTube channel. So you can see I've made a trial user that's for limited to YouTube. After clicking on, you can invite other users too, like on GitHub and other platforms, and that's it. You're done. Now you have created a second channel with multiple users added. It could be your channel manager, and now you're done with the same Google account, and I'll see you in the next one.